So, bought these Quiet Comfort Ultras in blue. Okay, not great. We did a plane trip to Miami. Thought the noise cancellation wasn't great. Also, the ambient, where you can hear yourself, transparency mode, is awful. You can't hear your voice at all, even if you put it on the high setting. Bose are apparently aware of that, so they're going back. Slightly more expensive, but they are brand new, are the Sony WH-1000XM6s. So here we go. Try and do this one-handed. Sorry about that. My friend is trying to help. So let's see how we can do this. We bought from John Lewis, just because I had a voucher. John Lewis was supposed to deliver yesterday. I was here. They didn't decide to put it through the door. Don't like breaking the seal, but okay. So I managed to get these actually at a really good discounted price. They were about £280. These though, 400. So let's take off the case. The instruction book telling you what to do. So the case that I've seen in the review, so I've got the blue because I had the blue here. The case has a magnetic clasp. Cables and headphones. There we go.